So let's move on to the settle bank account currency. So let me just go to the back end. Just move this to the right. Copy these two to the right because they are very similar. Control 1 to format this. And let me change the name. Settle curl first cell, and this one is the settle curl range. Just make it wider. So the first cell is if the settle bank code, just move up. If the settle bank code is, I think it's a dash, yeah. If the settle bank code is a dash, then I will return a dash. Otherwise, I will refer to my curl list D8. This is, let me close that. I'll enter. Just put a single quote. My curl list. Is it my curl list? Yes, my curl list. And then a hash. My curl list D8. So this one is good. Make it wider. And let me fill in the range as well. So if the settle curl first is a dash, then I return a dash. Otherwise, I will return my curl list curl select text. Close it. Oh, you know what? Typo here. Okay, then let me change this formula a little bit. Instead of the raw data trans curl first, let me just change this to select the first cell, settle, and this one, instead of the transaction curl range, let me just change that to settle curl range. You see the red one, right? And this one also. That's the naming method that I use. I just append to the curl range and replace the transaction and settle, okay? And then let me copy this one and press Ctrl F3. Just click new, call it settle curl dropbox. And then I just refer to this one. Ctrl V. Okay. Close it. Go back to the settlement interface. Go to the currency list. Press Alt-L to bring up the data validation. Let me just change that to F3 settle curl dropbox. This one. Okay. After that, Ctrl C to save the cell. Press N. Select the whole column. And then right click. Paste special validation. Okay. So let me test our validation. So let's say if I have bank 1 here, right? Let me try bank 0 because we have bank 0 in the withdrawal side, and now we are going to the settlement side. Let me just rub this. Bank 0. Then I expect not to select this one because we select Canadian dollar for transaction party bank 0 before. So we don't need to select the currency for bank 0, and also this one. Yeah, I don't need to select that. Now let me just go back to the back end. This one is bank 0, and we remember the first one is also bank 0. The currency for bank 0 is Canadian dollar. So by the time we select bank 0 as the settlement currency for the second transaction, for the second row, even if we don't fill in the currency, we still get a settlement currency code as Canadian dollar. Okay, so that will be used in the double entry and also the foreign currency interface that we'll be working on in the next few videos.